The Wentworth Woodhouse Preservation Trust focuses on three specific areas of activity: the historic repair and regeneration of the Grade 1, Grade 2 star and Grade 2 listed buildings on site, extensive community engagement including training, job creation, work placements, volunteering and education, and commercial trading to ensure financial sustainability. We're committed to maximising the economic, social and environmental impact that historic regeneration can have on the local community and the wider South Yorkshire region.
Before we begin, thanks for supporting the Wentworth Woodhouse Preservation Trust by watching this video. If you'd like to help us build something extraordinary at Wentworth Woodhouse, please give what you can using the link in the description below. Thank you.
Since the Trust acquired Wentworth Woodhouse in 2017, we've run several training programmes and apprenticeship schemes for staff, volunteers and people from our local communities. Providing opportunities through training and development is core to what we do.
In 2025, we hosted a working party for the Society for the Protection of Ancient Buildings. Participants from across Britain attended to learn heritage skills and undertake meaningful conservation on site at Wentworth Woodhouse. And we're delighted to announce that we're about to start an exciting new project, which will ultimately create a heritage skills training centre here at the stables.
The project includes repairs to part of the stable's south range, including the old coach house and the ostler's house, both of which are in a critical condition. They're currently propped, with more to be added in the first phase of works. These buildings will be scaffolded in the second phase prior to becoming live project sites. Over time, they will undergo full repair via the Heritage Skills training programmes, including stonemasonry, joinery, roofing, leadwork, glazing, and some internal repair including plastering and lime wash.
The coach house is where the carriages owned by the families who lived at Wentworth Woodhouse were kept and maintained by the ostler. His home, the ostler's house, forms the south range of Ostler's Court. It was once a wonderfully elegant building, but now it's in a very derelict state.
The buildings in the northwest corner of the stables that are to be converted for use as the Heritage Skills Training Centre require repair of the roofs and historic fabric and a complete internal fit-out. This will provide both wet and dry workshop spaces, a classroom, office, toilets and kitchen facilities. Resurfacing of the courtyard area immediately adjacent to the entrance will also provide an outdoor demonstration area.
Eventually, the coach house and the ostler's house will be given commercial uses aligned with the long-term master plan for Wentworth Woodhouse. But this will only become viable when repairs of the exterior historic fabric have been completed. Discussions with potential commercial partners are impossible at this stage, but we'll have a very compelling proposition once repairs have been completed.
The Trust has already secured buy-in from key livery companies who are keen to provide financial support for bursaries and apprenticeships. We also expect to run some commercial training courses for the paying public.
A recently published Heritage Sector report highlighted that as a nation we have a very real need for specialists in heritage skills. Through this project, we'll create a centre of excellence for heritage skills training. This will include working with pathways to work providers to ensure that heritage skills are promoted as a career option for school leavers, the unemployed and tradespeople wanting to upskill. We'll also work with students attending construction courses. The project will also link directly into Skills Street in Rotherham, a new initiative that engages 16,000 children each year in early explorations of career paths.
One of the core values of the Trust is caring for our environment. We're committed to sustainable policies and practices. Environmental concerns are essential to our decision making, and we understand the value of acting in an environmentally responsible way to minimise the impact on the environment from our operations.
As part of our commitment to the environment and sustainability, the buildings at the stables will be heated through a ground source heat pump system.
We already have 6 200-metre boreholes under the car park ready for connection. We'll also be improving insulation within the buildings. Projects of this kind are often broken down into 2 core phases. The development phase, which is where we are now, works out the detailed design and planning required, and obtains the necessary listed building consents and planning permissions needed to undertake the project. The delivery phase is when the actual work on site begins to realise the designs for the project.
We know that we'll need to introduce more propping to ensure the structural stability of the coach house and the ostler's house. The development phase will also include detailed condition reports, BAT and asbestos surveys. These documents will inform work during the early stages of the subsequent delivery phase and help to prepare a detailed scope of repair works for the buildings. To develop detailed training programmes, the development phase will appoint a heritage skills training lead to establish Wentworth Woodhouse as a regional hub for heritage skills. This role will involve significant outreach work to establish links with relevant training providers, pathways into work agencies, schools, colleges and national partners to ensure the training provided can match with site, local and regional training needs.
To date, funding offers have been received from the Architectural Heritage Fund and the Swire Charitable Trusts. Support has also been received from the World Monuments Fund. Extensive work has already been done building relationships with delivery companies for ongoing support with the training.
We're also working with sector specialists to lead on the development of the training programmes that will run at the Heritage Skills Training Centre. We're pulling together the teams and the expertise that we need to deliver something truly extraordinary.
We aim to start the development phase in the spring of 2026, and this phase of works will last for approximately 12 months. It's critical that we start this work as soon as possible, as both the ostler's house and the coach house are near to collapse. Keep watching our channel for future updates, and don't forget to like our videos and leave us a comment. You can also subscribe for free so that you never miss a new video release.